Hello all, this is Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. Today we are gonna see how can we make a maze game in Scratch. Before we make that, take a second and smash that like button and share this to all of your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to receive my videos. So now let's get right into the video. So first, let's choose the backdrop. Go to the link in the description for the backdrop. I'm gonna just scroll down and choose this one. Nice. Let's just delete backdrop one and change the name to maze. Okay, nice. Next, don't delete the cat because we can use it as the sprite. And next, let's change the size to about 5 because there's some bugs in this game, so we don't want that. So that's why I need to change the size. Okay, let's start with the code. When the flag is clicked, go to events and drag in when the flag is clicked, and go to motion and drag in. Go to X position, Y position, and after that go to control and drag in a forever loop. After that drag in a if then statement and duplicate it. And go to sensing and drag in touching color and also change it to the black color, which is the wall. After that, drag in key space pressed and change it to right arrow and duplicate it. Right click to duplicate, by the way. Duplicate 4 times, duplicate it 4 times because wait 1 2 3 4. Okay, next let's change this to left arrow and change this to up arrow, change this to down arrow. Nice. Next, go to motion and drag in change X by 10 and drag in another one and change it to -10. Let's just change this to a little bit more smoother type, like 5. Okay, next just duplicate it and put it over here. Wait 1 second, I don't want it. Just duplicate this and put it here and just delete the negative part only. Okay, now let's change the up and down keys, actually make the up and down keys work. For that, drag in change Y by 10 and change Y by -5 and change it to 5. Okay, just duplicate this again and again and delete the negative part. Okay, nice. Now let's test it out. Yes, it's working perfectly. Nice. Next, let's start with the U1 system. So for that, just go and hover over here and click on paint. and click on costumes and click on the text icon and change and type in U1. Next, let's change the size and change the font style. Okay, next I'm gonna change the size and put it in the center, change it to 0 and 0. Okay, now let's just add some border so that we can see it properly, because for now we cannot see. And let's just okay, nice. Let's just click on code. Now let's start with the U1 system. So go to control, click on the cat sprite and go to control, drag in a if then statement. After that go to sensing or just duplicate this. Okay, and just click this and no, actually don't duplicate that, sorry, just drag in, sorry, just duplicate it and choose this color, the arrow. Next go to events, drag in broadcast message 1 and go to the game U1 sprite. After you go to the U1 sprite, drag in when I receive message 1 and also when the flag is clicked, go to looks and drag in when the flag is clicked, hide when I receive message 1, show, and go to control and drag in and stop all. Okay, now let's test it out. Okay, we have a simple and easy maze game in Scratch. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, I'm Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. If you have any doubts, please comment down below or just go to the link in the description and talk to me in my Scratch user. Okay, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.